Every system, from your workplace to your morning routine, is driven by 5 hidden forces. Let's explore them in 2 minutes. Force number 1, relationships. Everything is connected to something else, and those connections shape how a system behaves. Second, feedback loops. Reinforcing loops accelerate change. Balancing loops stabilize it. Your results depend on which loop dominates. Third, delays. There's always a lag between action and outcome, and delays often trick us into making the wrong decisions. Fourth, mental models. The beliefs and assumptions we use to understand the world. Change the model, and the whole system changes. Fifth, boundaries. Every system is defined by what we include and what we ignore. Expand the boundary, and you see hidden influences. These forces don't work alone. They interact, creating complexity, surprises, and patterns you can't see with linear thinking. Master these 5 forces and you'll start solving problems at the root instead of chasing symptoms. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Priority Problem Solvers for more powerful insights in systems thinking.